Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Miss English Tip. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. Let's get started.
Today we have a very exciting topic, artificial intelligence. And as always, I'm here with Adam. Hi, Adam.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. I'm really excited about today's topic. AI is becoming a big part of our lives.
That's true. So, Adam, let's start simple. What exactly is artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when machines or computers are designed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans.
So it's like teaching computers to be smart?
Exactly. For example, when you use voice assistants or get recommendations online, that's AI working behind the scenes.
That's interesting. I think many people use AI every day without realizing it.
Yes, and it's not just in phones. AI is used in healthcare, education, transportation, and even shopping.
Right? Like when websites suggest products you might like.
Exactly. AI learns from your behavior, like what you search for or watch.
That sounds helpful, but also a little scary. Do you think people should be worried about AI?
I think it's normal to be concerned, but AI is a tool. It depends on how we use it. It can make our lives easier and more efficient.
What about jobs? Many people say AI will replace jobs.
Some jobs may change, but new opportunities will also appear. People will need to learn new skills and adapt.
So learning is still the most important thing.
Absolutely. Especially learning skills like communication, creativity, and problem solving.
Let's talk about learning English. How can AI help students?
AI can help a lot. There are tools that correct grammar, improve pronunciation, and even have conversations with learners.
That's great because students can practice anytime without feeling shy.
Exactly. It gives them confidence and more chances to practice.
I really like that. Practice is the key to improvement.
Yes, the more you practice, the more natural your English becomes.
Before we finish, Adam, what do you think the future of AI will look like?
I think AI will continue to grow and become part of everything we do. It will help solve big problems and improve our daily lives.
That sounds exciting. I hope we use it in a positive and smart way.
I agree. The future depends on how we choose to use this technology.
Before we go, here's your English tip. Try to learn one new word every day and use it in a sentence. Today's word is innovative. It means something new, creative, and original. Try to use innovative in your own sentence today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.